Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use a bed frame without a box spring. First, understand that many contemporary mattresses, especially memory foam or hybrid types, are designed to be used without one. Eliminating the box spring can offer a sleeker, lower profile for your bed, which is great for smaller rooms or a minimalist aesthetic. Plus, it often means saving some money and reducing the overall height of your bed, making it easier to get in and out. When forgoing a box spring, you have several excellent support options. Slatted bed frames are a popular choice, featuring wooden or metal slats spaced typically 2 to 3 inches apart to provide firm, even support. Another great alternative is a bunkie board, which is a thin, solid foundation that sits directly on your bed frame. Lastly, platform beds are built with integrated support, making them ideal for a box spring-free setup. Setting up your bed frame without a box spring is straightforward. If using a slatted frame, confirm the slats are spaced no more than 3 inches apart to prevent mattress sagging. For optimal mattress health, consider adding a high-quality mattress protector. It shields against spills and allergens. Remember to rotate your mattress every few months to distribute wear evenly, ensuring consistent comfort and support for years to come. Using your bed frame without a box spring offers several advantages. You'll achieve a more modern, lower bed profile, which can make your room feel more open and spacious. This setup also promotes better airflow around your mattress, helping to regulate temperature and keep it fresh. Plus, it's often a more cost-effective solution. For more great deals and to check out the new Kindle Paperwhite, be sure to look for the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.